Ensuring the freshness and safety of your stored food is essential, and the best glass food storage containers offer a reliable solution. In this video, we're excited to introduce you to the top 5 glass food storage containers, combining functionality and style to meet all your storage needs. Make sure to check the video description below for additional information, and click the links to easily purchase the products you love. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let's find your perfect match. Number 1. OXO Good Grips 12-piece glass container. This set includes a variety of sizes, from 2 4-ounce rectangles to a 3.5 cup rectangle, catering to all your storage needs. Crafted from durable borosilicate glass, these containers are designed to seamlessly transition from freezer to oven, offering incredible flexibility in your meal preparation. The 4 locking tabs on the foolproof, leak-proof lids ensure your food stays fresh and secure during storage and transport. What sets these containers apart is their smart seal design, allowing them to nest and stack effortlessly, saving you valuable storage space. The lids are interchangeable between the same size glass and plastic smart seal containers, providing you with even more convenience. Cleaning is a breeze with the removable silicone seal, and the entire set is oven, microwave, freezer, and dishwasher safe for your convenience. Plus, the naturally BPA-free and stain-proof borosilicate glass guarantees the safety and longevity of your food storage. Upgrade your kitchen organization with the OXO Good Grips 12-piece glass container set, the ideal solution for preserving freshness and optimizing storage space. Number 2. Amazon Basics 20-piece glass food storage containers. Whether it's lunches, leftovers, or pantry items, this set has you covered. Crafted from durable borosilicate glass with BPA-free plastic lids, these containers are designed for convenience and safety. The leak-proof feature, thanks to the locking lid with a silicone ring, ensures that your food stays fresh and secure. The glass base is not only oven-safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, but is also microwave, freezer, and dishwasher safe. The non-porous glass base is easy to clean, doesn't stain, and won't absorb odors, maintaining the freshness of your food. This 20-piece set includes a variety of sizes, from 1.6 cup to 7.8 cup containers, providing ample options for your storage needs. Whether it's rectangular, round, or square, this set has the perfect container for every type of food. Upgrade your food storage game with the Amazon Basics 20-piece glass food storage containers, the perfect balance of durability, functionality, and convenience for your kitchen. Number 3. Razab Extra Large Glass Food Storage Containers. This set stands out as the largest on Amazon, offering 3 sizes for versatile use. BPA-free and non-toxic, these containers prioritize your health and safety. The airtight and watertight design, sealed with silicone lids, keeps your food fresh for longer. While the plastic lids aren't suitable for the microwave or oven, the glass containers are oven-safe up to a scorching 932 degrees Fahrenheit without the lid. They're also freezer, refrigerator, microwave, and dishwasher safe. The square shape of these containers is not just for aesthetics, it allows seamless transition from the refrigerator to the microwave or oven, and finally to your dining table. Cook your food directly in these containers without a worry. This set includes extra large, and medium containers, with capacities ranging from 800 milliliters to a whopping 2200 milliliters. From leftovers to freshly prepared meals, these containers have you covered. Number 4. Prep Naturals Glass Meal Prep Containers. This 18-piece set is a versatile household essential designed to make your life easier. The set includes a variety of sizes, from the generous 7-cup round to the convenient 1-cup round, providing flexibility in managing your meals. High-quality tempered glass ensures peace of mind, resisting stains and odors. Say goodbye to the hassle of scrubbing stubborn stains or dealing with unpleasant smells. The BPA-free plastic lids are your non-toxic companion, offering the convenience of freezer, microwave, and top rack dishwasher safety. No need to hold back when it comes to warming your food or saving those delicious leftovers for tomorrow. The perfect lid fit ensures your food stays fresh and tasty, while the vibrant colored lids add a bright touch to your storage. With a 2-year limited warranty on both glass containers and plastic lids, you can trust the durability of this set. Join the ranks of experienced cooks and beginners who have trusted Pyrex brand glassware for generations. Affordable, durable, and perfect for all your cooking, serving, and storing needs, the Prep Naturals glass meal prep containers are a must-have for every kitchen. Number 5. Bayco Glass Meal Prep Container. This 8-pack of glass containers with 3 compartments each is designed to cater to a variety of occasions and events, from gym sessions to picnics, work lunches, and more. With a size of 8.1 inches by 6.1 inches by 2.8 inches and a generous capacity of 960 milliliters 33 ounces, these containers are not only practical, but also perfect for portion control. The improved locking lid design ensures easy opening and shutting, providing a better airtight seal to prevent spills and maintain the original deliciousness of your food. These containers are oven, microwave, excluding lids, dishwasher, and freezer safe, withstanding temperatures up to 752°. The BPA-free plastic locking lids are leak-proof and safe for both storage and reheating. The high-quality borosilicate glass is durable, easy to clean, and doesn't absorb stains or odors, making it ideal for a variety of food types. Bayco prioritizes buyers' satisfaction and offers quality customer care. If one is not satisfied with the product or experiences any damage, the buyer can return the product within 24 hours. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey through the world of shopping. Make sure to check the video description for any additional resources and links to purchase your favorite products. Stay tuned for more expert reviews. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest and greatest. Until next time, happy shopping and may you always find your perfect match.